Hello Escambia County teachers! With grade posting quickly approaching, we wanted to share some helpful reminders with you. You have access to teacher-level district reports that can help catch issues early on. The three I'd like to highlight include posted grades not matching gradebook, assignments linked to non-graded sections, and category weight total my gradebook. Each of these reports identify errors in your gradebook that can impact student grades. The most common error we see is grades being modified after the teacher has initially posted final grades. This causes a discrepancy because the posted grade and the gradebook grade do not match. So remember, if a grade change is made in the gradebook and the posting window is open, go ahead and repost. Nothing's preventing you from doing so. If you notice you have errors on these reports, your first line of defense is your focus teacher leader. Your administrator can also help. However, if you've already done so and you're still stuck, please submit a ticket so we can work through this issue together. Thanks for watching. If you want a more detailed look at each of these reports, then view the additional content linked on our playlist.